All right, we just got our butts kicked on Stillwater, like absolutely kicked and embarrassed. But we came to this little stretch underneath the dam, and there's some tri-fly action. Except I might have already spooked them because there was one eating right there. Of course they stop when I get here. That's okay, me neither.
Basically, if one jumps, you're pulling.
I know where
Rough estimate.
yeah. I at least can get a better drift here.
That's true. This seems way more natural.
They're still popping off.
Oh, this makes me want to tenkara fish really badly.
Grab it. Try it.
No,
You can get it.
I don't
It would
want
be
to
easier
right
right here.
But I definitely need to spend some time on a creek soon or a river with a tenkara rod instead of the fly rod. Get Nancy for it.
Oh, I went right over him. That should be a fish. Oh, he went for it.
Missed it. I might pull out the tenkara rod and try right
Do it. You do it. Yeah. They're ignoring my fly. I'm right over them and they don't care. It's not what they want to look at. Oh, 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 oh. It was why I stripped. Oh. As I was stripping in. Dang it. Oh, I just scared them all. There's so many right here. Gosh dang. There's like, I'm talking 50,
Really?
60. I need to find a new hobby. Nicole just kicked my trash. I had 2 fish on, couldn't get it done. Did you see all 70 of them? That's a good one too. That looks like a cutty. Huh? It's not a brook, is that what you said?
Sure, that looks like a brook.
It's not, there's no brooks. At least that I'm aware of. There's none. If not anything, it's a tiger or a splake.
That would be my first flake.
It might be the splake. Struggling?
That would be my first flake. I forget that I can't just net it from here and I have to like grab the...
Yeah, that's a splake.
Oh my gosh!
Nice.
Are you getting this on camera?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, I'm almost positive there's no
I don't know. I've never seen it like
brook. You can tell by like, I should know, but I don't go for splakes very often. So something about a fork tail, that's a good one. Yeah! Nice job.
Look at that. I was
Look
like, it
at
looks
that.
like a brook
It's
to me.
pretty. Yeah, pull that out. That's pretty. It's got the oranges and everything.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's a splake. It's got the forked. I think that's what it means. Good job. Here, I'll take a picture of you. It'll last longer. Wait, I need to turn. That's what I had then. Twice.
Let it go. Let it go. Oh.
Let's get a picture of you. Get down here, good. Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. Go ahead and. Nice job. Want a picture of just the fish?
My ankles hurt. I caught a splake.
Nice job, Nicole.
Oh my gosh. First
That was awesome. I had one.
telling you, kabari or tenkara was the way to go.
I got a hose.
Ready?
Yep. Yeah, that's pretty.
He's
Oh,
long.
you're moving a little too much. Yep. You're good. You can let him go.
Dang Thanks, bud.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice job.
I was like, that looked like a brook to me.
Put it right. Bobby is free.
How are you that lucky? Do you know how many times I would have lost a fly by now? How many flies I would have lost? I guess there's a better way to word that. Come on, I just want you to get one. I got a good size one.
Yeah, you did. Like I said, I had a couple good sized ones on too.
Maybe they're a little bigger in here than we thought. Nice.
It's small.
Hey, we'll take it. It's a fish.
I don't think it's what I'm looking for. Is it? That's a white fish, yeah. Oh no, that's a sucky. Or that's a chub, I mean. Maybe those are all chubs.
Maybe. I've never caught a chub.
Here's a chub. Oh, man. Alright, you're next. I was grabbing from up here and then just making sure your hand's out of the way. Except your indicator might be in the way of them.
Yeah.
You're not good at the indicator?
I don't know.
You can take it off. I'll go grab your... Can I use your fly rod?
Yeah, use whatever rod you want.
And then I'll let you normal take. Go ahead, take that off and you can do tenkara. Are you kidding me? I suck at life. That took you 10 seconds. You're walking home. Pull that thing in. It's 2 inches. Come on, don't slow roll me. If that's a splake, you're getting through. Oh, that's a cutty. You just caught 2 species. Check that out, man.
Gosh.
Nice. We just got 3 species right here. That's awesome.
It's pretty.
Here, you want to get on camera? That's your Bonnie.
If it counts.
Yeah. We'll check.
I don't like the way he's laying. Well, he's injured.
Yeah. We'll go ahead and hold him. Alrighty, man. Alright, you're good to go.
Thank you. Thanks, buddy. Your turn.
I'll cheat my way into success.
That's cheating.
I don't care.
I know I'm better at fishing.
Yeah.
That's fine. You can use a worm all you want. And it doesn't actually count as cheating.
Okay, I'm right into their school.
Something better take it.
It looks like a good drift to me.
Yeah, it does.
I know they're kind of spooked.
I caught a cutty. If that counts towards the slam,
Hey, man.
that just marked my Bonneville off.
Where'd you catch it? How'd you...
He was by this one. He jumped right
I
beforehand.
suck!
I didn't even catch the school of Chub.
If... Alright, last cast, and then I'm giving this back to you, and then I'm going to do my own setup. There you go.
Nice.
I think it's another chub. I want what you got. Yeah, of course the chubs take the worm. They can't resist a worm. At least I know where to... Oh, that was a huge splash. You see that big splash?
Yep, that was not a chub, I don't think.
Uh-uh.
My guess would be one of the trout.
Take that, G. All I can catch is chubs because I'm garbage. I shouldn't even let these go, I don't think. I think they want them dead, but I'm not. Yeah, they do, right? I don't know.
You want me to...
Goodness gracious, that's literally the only thing that's happening. I should just go grab it instead of crying. Huh? Oh, where's your indicator? Are you still using that? Can I use that? Where's it at?
Want a fish?
Nice. Oh, I just had a. Oh, you have a. Is that another one? Oh no, Charlie.
Have a fight. I think it might be. Oh my.
Hey, get out of here. I'm catching.
I'm not trying to.
Hey, man. It is. I can see the white
the way
fins.
he's fighting, you can definitely tell he fights harder than the cutthroat did.
I need one. Oh. Oh, and I lost my worm. Nice job. That one's bigger than your last one, I think.
Do you want to net him for me?
Hell no. I'm just kidding. Absolutely. I would be more than happy. He looks bigger. Don't you think? He's pretty nice.
Are you recording?
Yeah. I am, right?
Yes.
Yeah, he's pretty.
He's chunky.
All right, I'm changing up what I got going on.
Let me breathe for a second. No, you're not supposed to go upside down, sir.
All right, let's see you. You want a picture with him? Just hold him next to your face right now. Yep. There you go. You can release him.
Thanks, bud.
Nice. God, they're nipping at it. But they're not like taking it. There you go. Unfortunately. Yeah, come on over. I'll get you into one. Chubs like this setup.
Sorry, I've never caught one before.
Oh no, don't be sorry. Heck yeah, I want to help you.
Hey, we're thirsty now. You can stop it complaining.
I need my.
Cutthroat and Blake.
Screw the cutthroat. I want this plate. All right, Chub. If I was going home, I'd use it as bait. This is perfect cutthroat bait. This is what you put on for the main lake. Some pieces that are not on a jig. So come here, get some.
Go up there.
Sounds good.
We can float tube it.
Yeah. See you later, big Chub. Let's see what this does. This might be a little bit too big a worm, but.
This ended up being way more fun than sitting up there.
Dang it. Not the best cast, but go with it. Get ready, because they're already eating it. There you go. Yeah, that's a lot better setup. And that's a creek chub. Yeah! Woohoo!
I caught a chub!
Yeah. 2 new species.
In one day.
You want to hook them or you want me
Yes.
to? Okay. Yep, try not to move the worm around too much. All right. Well, that made it easier, huh? Getting rid of that stupid
So
jig.
easy. New species.
Yeah, let's get a picture with you. Move your hand, open your hand up too, if you can. Open it.
I'm trying, sorry.
You're good. Hold still. Hold still. More still. Alrighty.
Thanks, buddy.
You want close up?
First,
Cool.
Utah chub, right?
Uh-huh. Well, maybe Utah chub.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a
chub.
chub. Oh,
First chub.
it might be a least chub. I'm not sure.
Thanks, buddy. Okay.
Nice. Good job, Nicole. Oh, oh no. Oh, yay.
You think it's okay there?
I would, well, I don't know. Guess we'll find out. That was a trout down there. Oh, you're already getting played with. You see chubbing on it.
Oh.
And I'd kind of get ready. He was chubbing on it. Oh, you got him.
I ended up getting him.
I
did that one all on my own.
Nice job. Picking on the chubs. Kate.
I can't do anything about that.
Oh my gosh. There you go.
Now there's no arguing that I caught my own chub.
I just want to try a couple times. Getting off that jig was a good idea.
I think so. I think the jig was throwing him off. I feel like you could catch a fish every cast with these.
Right. I see them looking at it. They're going to sniff it. And you probably already got one. Get ready. Boom. Boom shakalaka. Huh? Chub Central. Nice job, huh? Now you've gotten 3 chubs.
Got 3 chubs, 2 flakes. That was a good day for me. Plus a cutthroat. That may potentially count towards my slam.
Alrighty, there's your chubby. It's got a line hanging out of it.
It had what?
Line, someone else's
Yeah,
line.
I thought I saw a line around it.
Oh, cast wasn't it, apparently.
Thank you for helping me get into a chub.
Absolutely. I'm glad you got into 2 new species.
It's a big day for me. It's been a really long time since that's happened with me.
Yeah, the chub are easy now that we got the... We're all good.
You good?
Now that we got the setup for the chub.
Yeah. Now they're just
You could do this all day.
coming up and smacking it. At least now we know what to do before we go floating.
Yeah, no, to get some pieces of chub. That's what I was
That's
wondering.
what I'm saying. Like, now we know the exact setup and how to do it.
And then you use their meat on a jig.
Do you think?
I know. I saw it. I thought it was a cutty. All right by the trout. All right by him. Please take it. Please take it, trouty boy. Oh, they sniffed it and said, "Father." Oh, they wanted it. No, it's hard to get a cast that especially because someone's lines in there.
Makes it think that you put your line in it too.
Okay,
You don't want to hook up on it, yeah. I mean, it makes sense.
here we go. Please, no chub. Right past him. No, you son of a chubster, huh?
I got the neck here for whenever you do catch a trout.
One last fish and then I'm done.
Oh, you're fine.
Then
Take as long as you
no,
want.
we'll
Take
go.
your time.
We'll go.
I'm not asking to go.
I know.
I got my Kindle in my pocket. I'm happy to sit here and read while you target the trout.
No. Gosh dang it. I'm not targeting shiz, huh?
You're targeting the trout, but you're catching.
I'm targeting the chub.
No.
I wonder if that hole's got anything down there.
That's why I was like, you could probably go down there by those trees and try.
That seems chubby.
That does seem very chubby. That's definitely chubby. That's fun though.
It is kind of fun. It's fast action.
It's not something I usually get a lot of.
That's 100% a trout.
Yeah, I haven't seen the chub really hit the top much. Every once in a while, but
I don't think they're hitting the top. You think they're hitting the top?
I don't know if it's chub or trout. I don't know if chub are known to hit the top.
Not that I know of, but maybe. I mean, I can't imagine they wouldn't. I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
What are you over there blabbering?
Nonsense.
I should, sorry, not blabbering, mumbling. That's what I meant.
You're a mumbler.
You're a mumbler.
You gotta cast out of those trees or you're wasting your time. Ew.
You ain't gonna catch anything with that shit.
What time is it, out of curiosity?
4:17.
Wow. Okay then, we really got playing with these guys, didn't we?
And it was more fun than the hours we spent up there.
I didn't mean to go to you, huh? See ya. I just really wanted to trout.
Please catch a trout. Take as long as you need until we have to go for the game.
No. We can always come back and make it, it'll be easier the next time we come.
You think?
Yeah, well, because they won't be spooked.
That's true. And we'll know how to fish for them.
I don't think I'm going to catch one. I think this is just what I'm going to be doing.
Try that hole down there, or try back up here again. I guarantee there's trout down there.
You're not guaranteed. Every time I say guaranteed, it means never. It sticks, like, oh, that's a maybe. Oh, except I gotta get ahead of them. Oh, it's going up to it. It's a trout.
Yes!
No, it's not a trout.
It was a trout. I got excited.
I'm done. I thought it was. I guess I can't tell, huh? Y'all suck.
On that note, I finally decided to call it a day. After getting our butts kicked on Stillwater, it was nice that this creek could offer us some good fishing with a variety of fish. And Nicole being able to catch 2 new species was a big highlight for the day. I wasn't able to land a splake, so I will definitely be back to try. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.